Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's tapping is all about feeling secure in your relationship, tapping positive affirmations and feelings of just enjoying the relationship that you're in, tapping on having beautiful moments and really feeling safe in experiencing those moments. I can actually relate to this request because this request was left in one of my videos. And this is sort of the phase that I'm in right now. I am at a phase where I'm not really dating because I just choose not to. I don't want to date. And I've sort of healed from my breakup that happened 2 years ago. And things are just going great. Like, my life is great. I feel really fulfilled in my work. I love creating content. Like, my days are filled. I started spin classes and I'm like doing Pilates. And on some days I have to remind myself that it's safe to experience this. It's safe to feel all this. Like, whether you're single or you're in a relationship, sometimes when you're experiencing calmness and peace, and your nervous system is not used to that, there can be that little voice in your head that's like, what's happening? Like, this is not normal. So I'm sort of in that phase of training my nervous system to feel good and that it's okay to feel calmness and peace. And I keep joking and telling my friends that, I'm like looking for a crush because, like, life is just so much more fun when you're crushing on someone. And I'm like not talking to anybody, not crushing on anybody. And I'm just like, life is a little too peaceful. Like, where's the drama? If you're in a relationship or if you're manifesting a specific person, this is really a great tapping to just get into that feeling of already being in that relationship, enjoying the beautiful moments with your person and just feeling secure in the relationship that you're in. So this is going to be more of a positive affirmations type of tapping. Before we get into the tapping, if you want to dive deeper into these tappings or if you want to work one-on-one, all of them are linked down below. I have a new course. It's called Magnetic Love Goddess. It's all about releasing unhealthy relationship patterns. It's what I did 2 years ago when I went through my breakup. All right, so okay, whenever you're ready, just close your eyes for a moment and let's just ground into our body. What are we feeling? How are we feeling? Sometimes we forget to check in with ourselves. We ask other people how they're doing and if everything is okay with them, but we forget to ask ourselves that question. So this is your moment to just sit with yourself and pay attention to what's coming up. What thoughts are you thinking about? What feelings are coming up in your body? Tapping is such a somatic practice that it's really important to really be able to feel what you're feeling in the moment and to not escape that feeling. Okay, and whenever you're ready, let's begin on the eyebrow point. I allow myself to feel so secure in my relationship. I'm worthy of a loving and amazing relationship. I am enough just as I am. I allow myself to savor these beautiful moments with my partner. I trust in our connection. I'm so grateful for all the love and joy that we get to experience together. I choose to always focus on the positive moments that we share. Our relationship is growing stronger by the day. I release any doubts and insecurities. I release the need to be perfect. I know challenges might come up, but that's okay. They're part of growth. My partner and I can handle everything that comes our way. Because our connection is stronger than the challenges. I'm confident that we can get through anything and everything. I'm open to giving and receiving love freely. And most importantly, unconditionally. Every day I find new reasons to love my partner. Our relationship is filled with understanding and respect. I appreciate all the amazing qualities of my partner. We are building a secure and loving future. And I'm so excited for that. I choose to be fully present in my relationship. Okay, take a deep breath in and exhale. Beautiful. I'm not in a relationship, but that kind of made me feel good. It made me feel like I was manifesting a relationship, which is not what I'm doing right now. I'm just not in that phase. But I hope that you enjoyed that tapping. I hope that it made you feel grateful for your partner. I hope that it really activated that joy and that happiness that you get to share with somebody else. I think that's what life is truly all about, right? It's about sharing beautiful moments together with someone you love. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to dive deeper into these tappings, you can join my courses below. Usually on YouTube, my tappings are not that deep because they're very general. So if you want to tap on specific relationship issues, definitely join my program, Magnetic Love Goddess. I'm also going to have a new course coming up all about healing heartbreak and dealing with breakups. So stay tuned for that. I'm still conjuring that up. But thank you again for watching. Comment below, how did the tapping make you feel? Like this video, share it with anybody that you think might find this helpful. And I will see you next time. Bye.